We all love wood floorings. The warm, sophisticated feel properly finished and installed wood floors bring into space. At the Hardwood Outlet, we know this, and we strive to achieve it with every sale or project we embark on. Our well-designed showrooms are stocked with over 8,000 high-quality wood samples to choose from, with quality samples ranging from hardwood, engineered wood, laminate, bamboo, cork, and vinyl floor. We have you covered. That's not all. We also have stocked tile, carpet, railing, and moldings, with over 100 insured highly experienced installers working for us. Quality and fast installation with 1-year warranty. Also, we are specialized and experienced in stair finishing and recapping, having accessories for this in any color you require. With the Hardwood Outlet in Canada and the United States, we are closer to you than you can imagine. Visit our showrooms or our website at www.thehardwoodoutlet.ca. If you have any questions, our great customer service and informative on-floor sales representatives are always eager to help. The Hardwood Outlet. Quality floor at your door.